Hi, my name is Chris Antes, personal chef with the Chef for You to Have, and I'm here in beautiful El Cajon, San Diego, California at the Shared Commercial Kitchen, and today I'd like to show you how to pack up a fish taco for lunch. So what I like to do is if somebody's going to be having this, they're going to take it to work, they're going to take it to school, not eat it for a little while, I like to give them a flour tortilla because it really holds together well and it doesn't end up getting dried out. It stays flexible so you can make a taco out of it. A lot of time the corn tortillas will end up drying or get really tough. So I just put it into some aluminum foil and wrap it around there. Get it all packed away. So once your friend or your kids get a chance to open it, it's ready to go. And then I also like to have everything separate, not only to maintain its freshness and flavor, but it can be fun for people, especially for kids. If you give this to your kids and they go to school, then they can have fun making their own taco. So what I'm going to do then is I'll take a large container here. We're going to include some of this tilapia that's been grilled. It's been seasoned with homemade taco seasoning and grilled, and we'll put that off to one side. And then in these containers over here, I've got a little mixture of some guacamole and some fish taco sauce. And that fish taco sauce is a little bit of sour cream, some lime juice, a little bit of red onion, and tomato. And then on the side, we're going to also include a little bit of tomatoes to go with it. And then we'll also add in a little red onion for the assembly at lunchtime. And while I mentioned I usually do keep it separate, the fish has definitely been cooked all the way through, and I've got that in there, but I'm also going to add a little bit of some shredded cabbage to throw on their taco, and a little wedge of lime that they can also put in it when they throw it together. And then hopefully they'll either have a little bit of a lunchbox that you can fit this in, or a nice little thermal container, and voila, an easy way how you can pack up a fish taco.